Hi everyone, my name is Nikhil Raj and I am a student of Aakash Jamshedpur in the 2-year medical course. Today, I am going to share with you my experience of how we do our online studies in these difficult times. Our academic staff and our faculty are working day and night in order to make our education a better experience. So, we have many facilities. I would like to begin with the ebooks. They contain all the information that we need in order to complete our syllabus. Then we have recorded video lectures which I can access from the Aakash iTutor app. I can watch them as many times as I want as they are recorded, and there is no limit on how much we can watch and learn. Then we have daily practice tests and fortnightly tests which regularly check our position of how is our education going. Then we have a very important exam such as which is known as All India Aakash Test Series, AIATS. It gives me a benchmark where I can test my performance of where I stand. Then we have live lectures in the evening by our faculty on the platform of Zoom. This is such an immersive experience that I don't even feel like I am not in the classroom. It feels like I'm standing just in front of my teacher and he's teaching me. It is very good and it encourages me to study even more and harder. So, I would ask my dear friends to not stop studying in these difficult times as everyone is working hard so that we can study non-stop. Lastly, I would like to thank the academic staff and our teachers who have made this a process a great success. Thank you and go and study. Have a nice day.